Chapter 9.1 Class and Object in Pygame 0. 5. How to create instance from class.
How can I create the instance from this class?
Let's write the code to create the instance from this class.
What does this code mean?
This code defines an instance, Apple, of the class Apple. With this class instance, Apple, we can access the class attributes and the function.
What does this function mean?
This code uses the paint function and fall function defined in the class by calling it with the instance name. Let's run this code. The red circle is moving downward.